For chicken macaroni salad. Let's have some, guys. Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will make macaroni salad. After boiling the macaroni, I drained and rinse and drain again and add some margarine to prevent it from sticking. Then I added some cheese and raisin. Now we will add mayonnaise. Tang, 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 tang. Tang, 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 tang. Later, guys, I will try to see if it can be. It's okay if you want to add creamer or condensed milk. I think we need the creamer here. Dun, 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 dun. Now we will add condensed. Later we will add roasted chicken. We will check our air fried lechon manok. And that's enough. Where am I going to put this one, guys? Come here. Please put the yung patungan. Ayun o, yung sangkala na bilog. Ayun o. Sige, pili yan. Thank you. It's very hot. We will let it cool first before adding to our macaroni salad. I'll be back, guys. Now we will add the shredded chicken. These are the chicken of the lechong manok. And we will mix and serve. We will put inside the ref. Here is our chicken macaroni salad. Let's have some, guys. Chan, 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 chan. Added the meat of the chicken, mayonnaise, creme densada, pineapple tidbits, raisin. Thank you for watching. Let's have some, guys. Chicken macaroni salad for our merienda. Tang, 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 tang. Now I added the meat of the roasted chicken. Let's have some, guys. Bali-baligtad. Here's our chicken macaroni salad. Let's have some, guys. Added the meat of the lechong manok. Thank you for watching.